Meet Sarah E. Goode, a pioneering inventor who became one of the first Black American women to receive a U.S. patent. Born to enslaved parents in 1850, her father was a carpenter. At age 15, Sarah gained her freedom at the end of the Civil War. She moved to Chicago with her family, where she met and married Archibald Goode, a carpenter and upholsterer. Together, they opened a furniture store. Sarah and Archibald's furniture store crafted and sold quality pieces catered to working-class customers. Witnessing families struggling with limited space in their apartments, Sarah envisioned the solution that would maximize living areas without sacrificing comfort. In 1885, Sarah patented her innovative folding cabinet bed, which transformed from a bed into a roll-top desk. Her invention gained popularity among city residents, solidifying her reputation as an innovator in furniture design. Sarah Goode's folding cabinet bed was a precursor to today's Murphy beds, symbolizing her lasting impact on furniture design. Let us remember her as a trailblazer who turned challenges into opportunities.